Hello and welcome back to the channel HowToSetInfo, and today I will show you how to change privacy settings on X. Okay, so open X on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll down a little bit until you see Settings and Privacy, and finally enter Privacy and Safety section. So here are many options that you can customize and adjust to yourself. You can check out these and shape your, let's say, own comfort zone on X application. So let's go to some kind of section, and in order to enable some kind of function, you want to move the slider to the right like this, and in order to disable some kind of function, you want to move the slider to the left like this, and now this function will be disabled. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.